In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit SlideUpLift template, learn how to edit the text in. We'll start in PowerPoint. Since most SlideUpLift templates are downloaded as a PPTX file, after you download the template, double-click to open it in PowerPoint. If you see a yellow bar at the top, click Enable Editing so you can make changes. That simply turns off Protected View and allows you to modify the slide content. To change any text, click directly on the words you want to edit. You'll see a bounding box appear around the text, and your cursor will blink inside the box. That means you're in editing mode for that specific text box, not the whole slide. Replacing the text is straightforward. Highlight what's there and start typing your own content. Press enter to create a new line when you need it. If you want to replace everything in that box at once, use Ctrl+A while your cursor is inside the box, then type. A quick tip: if you paste text from somewhere else, consider pasting it as plain text to keep the template's original styling intact. Next, adjust the look of your text. Go to the Home tab, and in the font section, you can change the font type, size, and color, and apply bold or italic. You can also fine-tune line spacing so longer paragraphs breathe a little more. Aim for consistent fonts across slides to keep your presentation polished, and use size changes to create a clear hierarchy between titles, subtitles, and body copy. For alignment, with the text box selected, go to Home and look for the paragraph controls. Choose left, center, right, or justify. Left alignment is often easiest to read for body text, while centered text can work well for headlines. If your words feel cramped or too spread out, resize the text box. Click the edge of the box, then drag a corner handle to make it wider or taller. This helps fit longer text without distorting the layout. To reposition a text box, hover over the border until your cursor changes, then drag it to the spot you prefer and release. If you run into overflow, text spilling out, or cutting off, try reducing the font size slightly, increasing the text box size, adjusting line spacing, or removing placeholder text you no longer need. Clarity is the goal. Using Google Slides, open Google Slides, upload the file, and open it. Click any text box to edit, highlight to replace, and use the toolbar at the top to change font style, size, color, bold or italic, and alignment. You can also drag the border to move or resize the box. In Keynote, import the SlideUpLift template, click any text box, and type to replace. Use the Format sidebar to adjust font, size, color, and alignment. That's it. You're ready to edit text cleanly across PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Keynote while keeping your SlideUpLift design looking sharp.